Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Welcome to Fabric Friday, but it's a weekend for me. Doing as much as I can over the weekend when the workmen aren't here making noises. This is a sewing machine cover that I've made for the necky. It's a bit big now because of what we've done for the necky, and I'll show you now. We have made a flatbed for it. You'll see it better. Let's take the cover off. There's the necky. This is a slider that I put over. It's completely flat. These edges, I put tape around them so they're smoother. I don't get caught on the fabric caught on them, but I've also got that slider that I put over them. This slider is very good because it's got a wide gap so I can use it all the time, and the feed dogs will still feed the material, but it will slide over this. Brilliant. But this is about 5 foot long, and it's the size of 1.5 wardrobes. It's about a total of 2.5 foot wide, so it's massive. And I've got this zoomed out as much as I can. I'll go up the back of the room. As you can see, it's got space on it for putting my ironing boards and my long ironing board at the back, which I can, when I need it, pull it out, bring it to the front and use it full length there. When I'm quilting, I can move everything off there onto my cutting table, so that space would be completely empty for quilting. And as I say, it's 5 foot long, so I can get a quilt really spread out well on there. And I'll just talk you through some of the things we did because it's not static. As you can see, this is the side of one wardrobe and the side of another wardrobe. And we've laid this one completely flat right up to the edge because I took the small extension table off and made it so the free arm was there. This other wardrobe we cut in half basically, and then cut out, marked template and cut out for around here. So I've got this part of the machine as well, but because I've got my vintage machines under there and I need to get at my feed dogs, it can't be completely static. To get at the feed dogs, I just slide this down, and you can see the opening there. I can get my hand in to raise or lower the feed dogs and then just slide it back. So that's how we've made it. Because of me going at the feed dogs, I keep all my fabric, well, a lot of my fabrics on. So it rests on there. And I've also got my vintage new home underneath it that I've opened out, and I put bits of wood on it so that supports that. Also the extension tray is there. I've got a piece of wood that is acting as support So when I stand here to iron the fabric before I cut it, that piece of wood is supporting it for me. I've got me my little ironing pad that I can keep my smaller ironing pad is next. I can keep it next to the sewing machine if I'm using it a lot, or move that out of the way, and if I'm doing a lot of cutting, because there is quite a bit of cutting with paper piecing, which I intend on having a go at, so I can put my small cutting mat here and use it while I'm right next to the sewing machine, and I'll have my ironing pad nearby so I can iron it as well. And so it's brilliant. I was going to do a review on the Necky Artisan, Nichi, however you pronounce it, but I thought I'll be doing one while it's there situated, so I thought I'll just do this one and show you where it is situated at the moment, and then I'll show you the actual machine next week. Well, with it being weekend today, I'm going to do as much videoing as I can do, whether that be outside or in the sewing room or wherever, and do as much as I can, and then put it out during the week when it's too noisy to actually do anything. So no sewing this week. I'm just going to sit and play with my new toy, because me and Lurch did this yesterday. He did all the sewing for me because I'm not very good at sewing, so we did all this yesterday, so I'm going to play with it today now. So thank you, bye.